Makiaria na andikia mohoro giikaro-ini kia Ambunge. Ambunge aya moigite uria wari kamishna wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC Roslyn Akombe niwe wahuthirirwo guthie Dubai gukobia maratathi ma githurano maria Raila akaruta. Senator Murkomen uria uma hamwe na mubunge wa Kikuyu Kimani oigite maratathi macio Raila akaruta mahanaine na maria makahotheka thiku ya guikia kura na itanya ria Raila ni kuhingisha a Kenya.
Odinga has invested in printing fake pre-marked ballots as well as fake forms 34A and B. These are meant to support his hopeless claims of rigging. Because his withdrawal had no effect, he has now opted for a new, cheap, imaginary and sensational scheme that the elections be rigged in favor of President Kenyatta.
Mubunge wa Kikuyu Kimani oigite kuri na njama ya NASA ya kuhuthira igoti karu kuhitukira muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati gutiria githurano kiria twerekeire. Ona kuri uguo ni oigite matire na wagagu ni undu wa President Kenyatta gucererwo gwikira kirore watho wa ithurano uria Ambunge mahitukirie.
Kuma rucio ni ukuona Raila agiciruta akiuga ni formu na ballot papers ciprintetwo already ati cia kuiya githurano, no uhoro uria wi wama ni ati nio maraprintithia maratathi macio, maraprintithia makienda kunina confidence kana kwagithia githurano na process ya githurano na IEBC kiene maitho-ini ma muingi.
Icung'wa oigite gutire njama o yothe ya Raila ikurugamia githurano.
Riria Akombe athire Dubai wira uria athiaga kumarutira na nikio ageraga Dubai athioe samples cia ballot papers cia form iria yahuthirwo 34A na 34B nigetha macoke ma print form icio fake.
Ihinda-ini o riu aria mari Ambunge Danson Mugatana na Ababu na Mwamba nimoretie urumwe wa mabũrũri ma Afrika mathuthurie NASA na mutongoria wake Raila Odinga ni undu wa kugiria a Kenya maikie kura. Handu-ini ha Kimemia TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.